Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It is a what I eat in a day video, and I always kick off my day with one banana and a little bit of pre-workout. Reason being is I go to the gym the second I wake up, so it's very early, typically 5:36 a.m. So this is 100 calories. It's a banana and a little bit of pre-workout, and lately I've been loving the C4 pre-workout in the watermelon flavor. Post-workout, I like to really get some food in pretty much right away, and since I have to go to work, I like something quite quick. So this is the Quaker High Protein instant oatmeal. This is the maple and brown sugar one, and I also like to have a quick protein shake. So sometimes I mix it with water like today, but when I'm feeling extra hungry or I want something a little bit more filling, I'll mix it with unsweetened almond milk, which tastes phenomenal. Going to the gym in the morning and then straight to work is a little bit challenging, so I have like an hour to shower, get ready. So this is a great meal that is super quick but still high in protein. It allows me to feel full in the morning and not hangry. It's 240 calories, but as you can see, it's 33 grams of protein. Mid-morning, I like to grab a little snack. This is a yogurt, a Greek yogurt 000, and this is the peach flavor. I have been craving Kraft dinner all week, so I wanted to try this. This is Annie's macaroni and cheese. This is the original flavor. Everyone chats about this, and I had never tried it before, but since I had been craving Kraft dinner all week, I decided to give it a chance. And it tastes exactly the same, but it's a lot better for you. I mean, mind you, it's not the best lunch option, but when you do want something a little bit more carb oriented, this is a great option for you. It was super filling. I really enjoyed it. The flavor was great. It didn't taste like weird at all. I put just a little bit of milk. It opted for 1 full tablespoon, but I just put a little bit just to get the consistency going, and it mixed perfectly. I topped mine with a little bit of salt and pepper. 1 cup was 270 calories, 40 grams of carbs, which wasn't the end of the world. For supper, I decided to make a really fun recipe. This is my turkey chili. I usually make it in a slow cooker, but because I was running pretty tight on time, I decided to just make it in a regular pot. So this is a super open recipe. You can really use the spices that you want and all that good stuff. I will have the spices listed down below for you if you are interested. To start, I just ground the turkey and fry up some red peppers and onions with all the spices, and then I pop it into a bigger pan where I add the tomatoes, some tomato sauce, all of the beans, and I also add a little bit of corn. And then once that's all together, I just like to simmer it on low heat for about 2 hours. Great recipe for dinner if you're having a lot of people over, or also for meal prepping. It is 31.8 grams of protein and 336 calories. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this different but fun video. You guys did request a little bit more lifestyle content, so that's what we're doing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video.